everyone, it's Dee again. Today I will be showing you a video of the products that I am using for my nighttime skincare routine. So my skin is on the normal dry side. However, I do get combination skin on my T-zone, which is very common for a lot of people. So the products that I'm using today are products that I use on a daily basis. However, once in a while, not once in a while, but during the week, I will add more specific products to treat certain things, such as maybe a peel if I'm breaking out that week, or maybe a mask if I want extra hydration. So these are a few products that I'm using right now. So if you're interested to know what sort of products to use for normal dry combination skin, stay tuned and keep watching. Revitalizing Mist from Eminence Organic Skincare is an antioxidant-packed pore refining toner. The Ningaloo Serum from Dr. Roebuck is a multi-benefit lifting and firming skincare serum that fights the signs of aging while deeply hydrates and strengthens the skin while keeping your skin glowing. Eminence Organic Skincare's Marine Flower Peptide Eye Cream helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles, puffiness, and dark circles while providing long-lasting hydration to the eye area. The next product is the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Magic Facial Dry Sheet Mask. This helps hydrate, lift, reduce wrinkles, smooth, and brighten the skin. It is a glow facial in 15 minutes. I look so scary, don't I? I actually really love this mask. I just wanted to say something while we're waiting for this mask for 15 minutes. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Magic Facial Dry Sheet Mask. So you leave this on for 15 minutes, and I had no idea what a dry sheet mask was before, but this is amazing. Like literally, you take this off after 15 minutes and it looks like your face has just been through a facial. Your skin is glowing. And what I recommend how to use this is if you have an event to go to, I would use this 3 days in a row prior to your event, because you can use this mask up to 3 times. And I'm going to try using it a 4th time to see how well it works. But this will give you glowing skin for that event you need to go to. This literally just hangs on your ears, and you can talk, you can do whatever. I can put my glasses on because it's not wet, so you can totally watch TV. This is not messy, so anyone who doesn't like to use sheet masks because it's wet, it can get messy, this is great. But your skin is going to be left glowing, feeling soft, feeling so hydrated. So I really recommend this for anyone who just wants super hydrated, glowy skin, or anyone who has an event to go to. So it's great for brides. Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream is a supercharged moisturizer for hydrated, dewy, plumper looking skin. It has vitamin C and E, Balm peptide, hyaluronic acid, and an array of oils to keep your skin looking plump, dewy, and super hydrated. The Bite Beauty Agave Nighttime Lip Therapy is a must-have in your nighttime skincare routine. You'll get super supple, hydrated lips all throughout the day. Alright guys, that was my video for my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have some ideas of some new products that you could potentially use for your nighttime skincare routine. So have a great night everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye!